How to delete multiple pins on Pinterest. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete multiple pins on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up your Pinterest. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you've done that, you can go to your profile icon on the bottom right. Make sure you're logged in as well. And after you've done that, you should find all of your pins right here. What you can do is open up a pin, but if you want to delete an entire board, you can long press on it. You go to this edit section, scroll down all the way, and then tap on delete board. That way you can delete all of the pins at once. So open up your board right here. Go to all fields. Under all fields, you'll find all organized. And I can tap on delete and then tap on delete again, and I've just deleted multiple pins. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Thanks for watching.